car insurance in Pleasantville, New Jersey. I've seen quite a few videos about diminished value being the biggest secret in the auto insurance industry. I'm here to tell you that it is not a secret, it is just something that most insurance adjusters don't understand. They all know about it and so do you, or you wouldn't have searched for it and found this video. The problem is that nobody seems to know how to properly calculate it. The 17C formula is a joke. Problem 1 is the adjuster that simply doesn't understand diminished value. This adjuster has been trained to deny payment, and if that doesn't work, then the physical damage department will come up with some ridiculous figure to offer and nobody will be able to argue the merit of their calculation. They will simply expect you to take their offer because they are the experts. This is a hard scenario to overcome and it takes some specialized tactics. One would be well served to call someone that is a real expert in insurance claims and negotiation tactics, or an attorney. Problem 2 is the company that plays dumb. Their tactic is to just act like they have never heard of diminished value. Again, this is a hard tactic to overcome. The best way of handling these companies is to be well informed. Sometimes citing some case law precedents is the best way to let the insurance company know you are not playing their game. Believe me, there is no insurance company out there that is not aware of diminished value, but they all seem to handle it in a different manner. The bottom line on diminished value is that it exists and there is a way to document and calculate it which will hold water in front of a jury. If you have a diminished value claim, your job is to find a reputable expert that will help you figure out how to get your money and that can write you a report that substantiates a diminished value calculation. Sometimes it's just in the petty details. Good luck.